At home, a huge fire at a condo complex on the Cape. 11 people were injured as flames shot up into the sky. The fire became so fierce, some of those living inside had to jump to save their lives. All of this unfolding in Dennisport. Everyone did make it out alive thanks to the efforts of neighbors. Our Breeze Season has the story.
There's a giant hole in the middle of the Seabreeze apartment building where investigators say the fire started on the first floor. It moved so quickly it put a lot of people in danger and had neighbors grabbing anything they could to try to help.
Yeah, I used all those to try and put out the fire.
A courtyard littered with all the fire extinguishers residents could gather in the middle of the night.
I just did what I thought I should do.
Robert Johnson worked desperately to help his wheelchair-bound neighbor out of the burning building before 3 a.m.
The girl was trying to get out the window. So I yanked the window and I pulled everything out and she came out with it.
3 others jumped from a second-floor window as flames closed in. Fire Chief Mark Dellin says it breached a firewall, destroying 6 apartments almost before the crews got there. But they had to stay calm and figure out a way to both treat the injured and put out the fire.
That happens to firefighters every day across the country. It does step up your pace, but you still do the right thing, and you have the steps you have to follow.
She was barking and barking. I said, Maggie, I'm trying to sleep.
Stacy Smith didn't like what she woke up to.
Oh, my God. The whole thing, the flames were just coming out like, my apartment building still smells like smoke and burn.
About 3 dozen of her neighbors are now out of a home. The Red Cross is assisting.
You stop and think about the people whose lives have been impacted, either by being displaced or injured or possibly worse.
A total of 13 people went to the hospital, 4 of which were first responders who had smoke inhalation from outside the building. 2 of those people were later taken to Boston area hospitals with serious injuries. In Dennisport, Breeze Season, WBZ News.